everybody. We're at the NRA convention here in Houston, and we're having a blast. Renee and I and Joe and Lou are like walking the floors, finding all kind of neat items. This is something I found out about last year through Joe and Renee. You come here. It's called Write in the Rain. They make paper that you can actually write on, and if it gets wet, it doesn't hurt it. Look at this little thing right here. See the water pouring down on it, and the words are still legible and everything? This is exactly how it works. And we have Rachel Johnson right here. She's going to tell us a little bit about how it started and where it came from and whose idea was it.
Sure, absolutely. So Write in the Rain was created back in 1915 by Jerry Darling. It was originally created for the Pacific Northwest logging industry. And basically it's for people to use when they're outdoors doing anything. And the name Write in the Rain, you think, oh, it has to be raining to use the paper, but not necessarily. It's just made to get wet. So sweat, humidity, any kind of other liquids that touch the paper. So it's great. You can see here how it works. You can actually, oh sorry, go ahead.
Now you use it all the time, and just that with the notepad that you're using, you know if it happens to get wet, that it will not be ruined. You don't just save to get it out for the rain.
Right,
exactly. Just use it all the time.
You can use it all the time.
And not worry.
Even if you leave it in your pocket and it goes through the washing machine, I mean, that's how durable the paper is.
Yes.
So this is our paper here. You can see you can use, this has been scribbled on throughout the show. It's been in this water for 3 days. As you can see, pencil works all the time because pencil writes underwater. We do also have a Write in the Rain all-weather pen, and so this pen will also write on the paper when it's wet. So you can
in the rain. See, I didn't even realize that you could write while the water was flowing.
Exactly. Yeah.
That is great.
If you don't have an all-weather pen and you don't want to use a pencil, you can use just a regular ballpoint pen when the paper's dry, and then when it gets wet, the ink will stay on.
Okay, you can use the regular pen, but you let it dry before, hopefully it dries before it gets wet.
Yes, exactly. And what you don't want to use are those liquid gel pens because they just wash away. They don't like water at all.
Yeah, just avoid liquid gel pens.
Exactly.
But a pencil, is one of the best in that ink thing if you just have to write an ink. Okay, how about that awesome product? Thanks, Renee, for telling me about it last year. It really kept me up. It is. Okay, so we're going to go down the way and we'll talk about another product soon. See you later.